Hello guys, welcome back to Chemi Naturally, a channel to motivate and inspire. And we are trying to level up. I went to the Grace Hopper Career Fair recently, and it was supposed to be last month, but it got canceled, with many of us not knowing when they would have it or if they would have it at all this year. Then we got an email saying that the event would happen in the second week of November, which is great because the original virtual event was in October, and that was like a chaotic experience for me. The career fair was for 2 days, November 17th and 18th, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific time. According to them, there were over 150 sponsors at this event attending. So typically what you would do is go to a link that they give you, sign up for any meeting slots for the company you would want to speak to. These slots are usually 10 minutes long, and they also had a great filtering system that would filter out companies based on your level of experience and other things I don't recall. It was great because I can get to the companies I have a better chance at getting hired at faster and not waste any time. The cons of the event were that the slots are quite limited by company. The company will have maybe like 5 slots open initially for the whole 2 days. Bruh. And maybe there isn't enough recruiters available, I don't know. But by the time I was able to get on there and sign up for my meetings, I literally had to grab all that I can. It felt like the Hunger Games, like may the odds be ever in your favor.
May the odds be ever in your favor.
Also, I'll be in the middle of selecting times, and then they would give me a sorry, this is no longer available speech. And I'm like, what? The pros are that I was able to speak to about 13 companies or so in such a short window span, which I haven't got to do in this pandemic or this year alone. I was grateful to speak to recruiters and sell myself and at least say that I tried. I was able to research the companies in advance because I knew I was only speaking to certain companies. At usual career fairs, I would have my top companies in mind, but then there would be a few that I'm not familiar with, but I'm interested in them. So I would go into their lines and try to Google it while I'm in the line and figure out their mission, and then try to memorize that and not sound stupid, but then you end up not memorizing everything. So you're just like, I love your website colors, you know, like you just say something stupid. Because this is a virtual event, I can write down my elevator pitch about something that I'm like why I'm interested in their company, and have it on my computer screen so that I can look at it if I'm nervous or if I don't remember. The recruiters were respectful. That's another pro. They were respectful of my time for the most part, except for one person that showed up late, but she apologized profusely. And they're inviting. A lot of them were like interested in going forward with me. They're interested in going forward with me, yay! It was less strenuous than waiting in a long line, and the transition from meeting one company to the next was a breeze, obviously. Some companies also had a networking session, so if you didn't get a chance to sign up for the ones you wanted, you could sneak in there and talk to a recruiter that way, and that was how I was able to do that. I was able to do that with Verizon and get the contact of a recruiter. So in conclusion, this is what happened at the virtual Grace Hopper Career Fair. I enjoyed it. Simple as that, I enjoyed it. I really look forward to the next one in Chicago. I hope to attend it. It will be in September. I've always heard good things about it. This is my first time being at this Grace Hopper event. I didn't go previously, so I want to be there in person to meet other women engineers and women in tech. So if you like this video, feel free to subscribe and smash the like button, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.